So I finally received my RaBleSwING from RIGD, and this is going to allow me to swing out my motor mill and my cargo carrier from pack mule away from the vehicle so that I can have access to the rear of my cargo hitch. So I'm going to go ahead and start installing things. You get some Loctite thread locker, you rub it, you put it on your threads here. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this lever here or clamp, and I'm going to go ahead and bolt this in. Just really quick, I just installed my RaBleSwING Pro from RIGD. And one of the things I want you folks to not worry about when you receive your RaBleSwING, you're going to have a few different connections here. Your latch. You may have a problem with your latch not going all the way back in, simply because you're going to have to make sure you adjust these 4 bolts here. So loosen these bolts up, push the bracket all the way over, and then make sure you start tightening it down. But make sure it's already clamped in there first. Okay? And then you can tighten these 2 bolts, the first 2, and then these 2. You see I got that space over there? So you want this bracket pushed all the way over. Now when it comes to being able to pull this key here in and out, it's also not going to line up. So you're going to have to loosen these 2 bolts along with 1, 2 here, and you're going to use a 15 socket, okay, and you're going to need a 15 crescent wrench on the bottom, socket on top. Loosen all the nuts. Go ahead and insert your let's say key. Let's insert your key, and then you can tighten it back up. Once you tighten it back up, in and out, just like that. Okay, that's about it. Just wanted to bring you folks this information, so if you ever have a problem with wondering why it's not lining up, you know, the factory, they're not going to line them up completely. You got to, first of all, you got to install this yourself. This is already installed. You need to do some adjustments. Okay, other than that, you're good to go.